Ukraine has successfully conducted tests of a next-generation interceptor drone developed by the German company TYTAN Technologies. Designed to neutralize enemy drones and reconnaissance systems, this device represents a significant technological advancement in aerial defense. The tests, accompanied by a video published on December 29, 2024, were conducted in collaboration with the Ukrainian platform Brave One and highlight Ukraine's efforts to modernize its military capabilities in response to increasing threats. The TYTAN Technologies interceptor drone stands out for its notable technical performance. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 300 km per hour with an operational range of 20 km, it uses a computer vision system to detect targets. Its interception method relies on kinetic collision, eliminating the need for explosive payloads, which makes it both cost-effective and reduces collateral risks. Designed for rapid deployment within seconds, the drone is particularly suited for countering Class II enemy drones, including Iranian-made Shahid Kamikaze drones frequently employed by opposing forces. TYTAN Technologies plans to integrate an automatic guidance system in future versions to further enhance its precision and effectiveness. The tests were conducted under the supervision of Brave One, a Ukrainian platform specializing in defense technologies. Brave One facilitates collaboration among international manufacturers, local developers, and the Ukrainian government. During the demonstrations, Ukrainian operators controlled the drone, providing valuable insights into its operational adaptability on the battlefield. Representatives of the Ukrainian armed forces and defense experts attended the trials, emphasizing the importance of this technology in the country's ongoing military modernization efforts. Brave One is also working to connect TYTAN Technologies with Ukrainian developers to incorporate local solutions and refine the drone's capabilities further. The interceptor drone market is becoming increasingly competitive, with several alternative systems offering complementary solutions. Notable competitors include Rapid Eagle, a French innovation equipped with a net to capture enemy drones without causing damage, minimizing debris risks, and Morpheus, developed by Lockheed Martin, which uses high-frequency electromagnetic waves to neutralize drones at a distance. Compared to these systems, the TYTAN Technologies drone provides a rapid and direct interception method, simplifying logistics and potentially reducing costs compared to more complex systems. The use of interceptor drones is particularly relevant in the context of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Ukrainian forces face a growing threat from enemy drones used for reconnaissance and kamikaze missions. These devices pose significant risks to critical infrastructure and military positions. Specialized units, such as the Ukrainian 414th Regiment, have already deployed innovative systems to counter these threats. Interceptor drones like TYTAN Technologies system provide an effective solution for protecting sensitive infrastructure and minimizing human and material losses. The successful tests of the TYTAN Technologies interceptor drone mark an important step in the modernization of Ukraine's defense capabilities. This development is part of broader international collaborations aimed at leveraging advanced technologies to address the evolving challenges of modern warfare. The next steps include incorporating operational feedback and accelerating production to ensure these drones can be deployed on a larger scale. These efforts underscore Ukraine's commitment to enhancing its technological capabilities on the battlefield. Thanks for watching.